Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go over standard deviation. And before we begin, let me put some lines on here so I don't... There we go. Okay. So, standard deviation. Standard deviation, again, is talking about how far apart is our information for this given idea. Or whatever it is. If it's test scores or it's how far apart the numbers are. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to give you just 5 numbers. 15, 18, 21, 35, and 17. I wrote that last number wrong, so hold on. I'm going to change this to a 16. Okay. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. To find standard deviation, the first thing we have to do is we need to find the mean. Now the mean is found by adding all our numbers together. Plus 35 plus 16 all over 5. And that's 105 divided by 5, so that's 21. You are going to need a calculator for this. So if you haven't got one, go get one. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a table. And in our table, we're going to have, hold on here, three columns. And the first column is our x, which is just our regular value, so that's like the 15, the 18, the 21. The second column is the x minus what our mean is. And then the last column is that x minus the mean squared. So let's figure this out. So I have 15 is my first number. 15 minus 21. Well, that's negative 6 squared, and that's going to give me a positive 36. And we're just going to do this all the way down. 18 minus 21, that's negative 3 squared is a 9. 21 minus 21 is just 0 squared, so that's just 0. 35 minus 21, well, that's 14 squared, which is 196. And then our last number is 16. 16 minus 21 is negative 5 squared, and that would be 25. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these numbers right here that we've squared, all these numbers right here, and we're going to add them together. So 36, 9, 0, 196, and 25. So using my calculator, 36 plus 9 plus 196 plus 25 gives me 266. I am going to take the 266 and divide that by 5. And then do the square root of all of it. So 266 divided by 5 is 53.2. I'll take the square root of 53.2. And you only need to go out one decimal place, and that's about 7.3. So our standard deviation is about 7.3. Alright? So that's standard deviation. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.